Hello everyone, welcome to SDET 101. Today we are going to see or count the repetition of a word, repetition of all the words in a string using Java. This is a very common question asked at all levels of interviews. If you want to join our community, please subscribe and click bell icon. Also have shared the Telegram link in description. So let's start. I've already created a Maven project and in it I'm creating a class count words. Okay, so the word is the first thing. So first we have to have a string, right? So my name is Tom. Then my home is in Delhi. So as you can see, we can add multiple more lines, like I leave or I'm happy. I'm happy. This is how. So put a string str and we have to see how many time each of the words are repeated. So what is the first thing you need to do? We need to split each, we have to separate each of the words. So what we will do, which we will first split it and store it in an array, like so. This is the thing. Okay, now we have splitted it and it have stored it in an array. Now what we will do, we have to for this case we have to first split it in this way. It will split the entire text and it will put it in an array. Now second thing is, first we have to pick, for example, my word, and then check how many times it has been repeated in here. Two, right? I can see it is repeated twice, so my will be two. Now see what we can do. So in this case, uh, we will use HashMap, because we know that in HashMap there is a key and a value pair. So for example, the key will be like my will be the key, and for the value of my will be 2. So that's why I am choosing the HashMap concept in Java. Now see, let me do some map interface. Map is an interface, and let's see, it's string, yes, and integer. Sorry. Java.util I have to import. Then what it is happening, what we will do. So we will loop through it, right? index equal to 0, index less than split. How many times till when we will loop? So this is an array. This is an array. So we will loop till it reaches its maximum length. Now, what will be the logic? If we found the text and else there can be another logic where it will not find, right? So there should be two logic. One, if it matches with the text and if it not matches. So first, let's check. So in this text, my name comes first. So it is definitely have not been counted. So it should go in the else loop. So let me first write this map. What I will do, map dot put. So map.put, I will put it as split the number one position. So in this loop, it is the zero count, right? So there is zero count means the first I'm taking this my. So split one zero, the first position. So it's zero, and what it will return one count, right? And then again it will go. Sorry, it's not I index. Now, if it finds and comes in this second position, so that means this is already repeating it. So it will get split uh, the previous count plus one. Am I correct? What we will do if map dot contains key, we will use this map dot contains key method. Oh, sorry, I have pasted it here written separately. So now what will happen? Integer count map dot get. Now I have to get the value, right? The count. Value means the count of that word. So this is how integer count equal to map dot get explain. And then what we will do? We will repeat it. Sorry, split. And what will the value? This count plus one. So let's run it. Is there any error? Okay, sorry. Oh, now see. This shows how many times each of the word is repeated. Okay, here you can see that the dot is coming next to each of the word, the full stop. The full stop is added with the previous one because I've not kept any space. I've just split by the space only, so that's why. So now this work. Hope you have understood this. How we are doing this. You can instead of for loop, you try with for each. So there will be two tasks for you to do. First, split with the dot, this full stop also, separate this, remove this full stop and any special characters like comma or others, semicolons, and semicolon and comma or any other special characters. And the second task for you will be using for each loop. Try yourself, or else I will be showing how to separate, how to split with special characters and using for each loop in a separate video. Till then, thank you.